Okay, then let's have a look at this. We've got AX equals B in matrix form. If we have an equation like this in matrix form, then left multiplied by the inverse here and here to the above. On matrices, it doesn't matter which side you multiply matrices on. So we're left multiplying here. And this side, same thing. A to the minus 1 times A is just the identity matrix. When you times A with its inverse, if it exists, you get the identity. And A to the minus 1B. Then identity matrix times another matrix is just the matrix itself. X here is equal to A to the minus 1B. So that's the solution then in general. So we need to write this in matrix form. So here, looking at this example, 5, 1, 2, 4. Everything's in the right positions. So we just write the numerical entries times xy is equal to 17, 14. And that's the corresponding matrix form. And we can label this matrix A. We can this matrix we can label capital X, and we can label this one, we'll call it B, shall we? Because that's what we did above. So if that's the case, then AX equals B, then we can get the answer by finding the inverse and timesing it by B. So A to the minus 1, then the inverse of a 2 by 2 is 1 over det A. The det is, you can write det A like this, and then it's times by, you swap these around and you flip these minuses here. Okay, let's do that. Swap these around, then the leading diagonal gets swapped, and the trailing diagonal, the signs get flipped. So the only thing is, what is det A? 1 over det A would be leading diagonal, the formula 20, take away the trailing diagonal product 2. So it's 1 over 18, isn't it? So now we've worked out the inverse, we can write down the answer. Okay, good. Now, so the X will equal, the answer will equal, which is this matrix here, A to the minus 1 times B, wasn't it? And B is this matrix here, 17, 14. So we've got 1 over 18. First row, first column, 4 17s are 68. Take away 14 is the first row, first column entry. And then second row first, minus 34 plus 70. 5 14s are 70. So this is 68, 58, 54 over 18 is 3. And minus 34, 70, take 30 is 40. 36, and then 36 over 18 is 2. So we can read off the entries now, can't we? Because this X matrix is the X and Y entries. X equals 3, Y equals 2, and this is the solutions. We can check that, 3 and 2 on the X and Y. 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 15, 17, 6 and 8 is 14. So that's fine.